OR2-M Lynx Shielded Dual Relay Output Module. The OR2-M Lynx Shielded Dual Relay Output Module, commonly referred to as the OR2 or Relay Module, is a DIN rail-mounted module that is interfaced with the injection molding machine to provide up to 2 output signals from the eDart or CoPilot systems. The OR2 is most commonly wired to a robot for part containment, an injection molding machine for velocity to pressure transfer, commonly referred to as V2P, with decoupled molding 3 applications, as well as for valve gate sequencing applications. The shielded dual relay output module cable is wired directly to an input card on the machine or sorting equipment on one end, and connected to the OR2-M on the other end, using the 3-pin connector. The module is connected to the ID7M, SEQ module, or other shielded modules, using the integrated Amphenol connector. The relay module may be wired normally open, or normally closed. For most applications, the normally open side of the relay is used. When the normally open side of the relay is used, the relay will close upon a specified action in the CoPilot or eDart software, sending voltage to the machine, or robot controller, to either transfer the machine or actuate a valve gate, or to sort parts. Each of the contact relays have spare fuses that are located inside the OR2 module. To learn more about replacing these fuses, please watch the RJG video, Replacing Fuses in the OR2-M Lynx Shielded Dual Relay Output Module. Thank you for watching this video regarding the installation and use of the OR2-M Lynx Shielded Dual Relay Output Module. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual, or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com, or by calling 1-800-472-0566.